Chapter 9.1 Class and Object in Pygame 0. 6. Class Constructors and Instance Initialization.
How can I create multiple instances from the class?
You can create multiple instances using the constructor in class.
What is the constructor?
Constructor is generally used for instantiating an instance. The task of constructor is to initialize, assign values, to the data members of the class when an instance of the class is created. Let's write the code.
What does this code mean?
This constructor initializes the 4 variables to create multiple instances easily.